Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be doing another Lego Polybag build along. And in this case, hopefully you can see through the glare, it's set 30283. And this is the Creator Off-Road Polybag. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video and you like the Polybag build alongs, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these a day for the foreseeable future. And also, I've included links. Oh, also turn on notifications too if you want to have YouTube let you know when I post the next one. And I've included in the description links where you can find this on Amazon and on Bricklink. And I've also included the it's kind of a short set of instructions. I've included the brick set link as well. So if you just want information about this particular set, then you can check that as well. I've also included a link to a Google document spreadsheet that has links and information about all of the Lego Polybag build-alongs that I've done so far, as well as ones that are coming up, if you want to build along with me. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at this thing, see if we can get it put together. As with so many of these, it starts with a 2x4. Alright, and so we got a bumper. I'm assuming this is going to be the bumper. Yeah, it's going to be a bumper. And then we got a 2x6. And then we flip this over. And we add a 2x3, like so. And then we're going to add the axles. This actually is a pretty quick one to put together, it looks like. So axle number 1 and axle number 2. We'll flip it back over, and white brick, a white 2x2, and a white 2x2, and then a pair of 2x3s right there and right there, like so. And then we got the wheel wells. So wheel well number 1 and wheel well number 2, and then make that all yellow, like so. Oh, I need a 1x4, not a 1x3, like so. Alright, so it's starting to look like it so far. Now, okay, so now what we gotta do is we create the front grille, which is going to be this, and then that, and 2 headlights, which are going to be these little clear round 1x1, and this is going on the front over the bumper, so that is going to be the bumper. And then we have that, and then the 1x3 is going on. By the way, is it going to make y'all too crazy if you notice that it has, if you notice in the instructions, there's a 1x4 and a 2x4, and I have a 2x4 and a 1x4. Now, I know that probably some of y'all won't be able to sleep at night if I don't fix that, so let me fix that for you. Just, I'll do it as a public service, in case it might bother some people. Just hypothetically, if it might bug you. Alright, so that goes in there, and we need another 1x3. And then we have the other white 2x2. And then we're going to do the back. And the back is a put on a 1x2. I'm sorry, scratch that, a 1x4. And then another grill. And then brake lights. So we got the red for the brake lights on the back, like so. And just pop this on right there. That's pretty good. Alright, so next we got the hood, and this is going to be the windshield. And okay, so it overlaps that right there. So we got that there, and that here where it's overlapping a little bit, like so. And then this goes on top. And we got these two. That goes there. That goes here. And I didn't put it on right. So these two go up top, like so. And then these look like, I guess they'd be like the lights on top, like so. And then we just pop on some wheels. I gotta tell you, this has been a really, really simple, straightforward little build, but I can I'm not unhappy with this at all. Oh, extra pieces, by the way. Those are your extra pieces. So, I feel like this is like a quick and easy, you get something to play with thing. I don't know, I like it. Let me straighten up my lights, make them, you know, even and all. Yeah. But yeah, this is a neat little set. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Do you like this set? Not like it? I'm sort of partial to the little car sets. Maybe that's just the little kid in me. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.